This is Steve Black, founder of Business Success Training and keynote speaker for the Success Summit seminar. I also coach entrepreneurs and business people on how to go ahead and take their marketing game to a new level. Today we're going to talk about how to go ahead and create a killer video with an app called RIPL on your smartphone. It's super simple. It takes less than a couple minutes to produce a great video, and it'll give you that edge in marketing. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is going to go open the RIPL app either on your iPhone, or you can use the Droid. It works on both. It also works on an iPad. But I'm going to go ahead and open the RIPL app. And the first thing I'm going to need to do, I'm taking the library of videos that I've made in the past, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the Aqua Plus button on the bottom. And let me do that for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and start by clicking on the area up here where it says Add Photos. And I'm going to select a couple photos off of my phone. In fact, I'm going to select 6 or 7. I'm going to select one of the outside. I'm going to select one of the kitchen. I'll get one of the patio area. I'll jump back into the dining room. We'll get one of the living room and then of the master bedroom. So that's 6 photos. I'll click Save. Now it says Add Primary Text as a optional feature. I'll add that in. I had it on my clipboard, so I'll go ahead and add that. I'm going to add secondary text. In this scenario, I'm going to add the address. And let's go ahead and quickly type that in. And then we'll be off to the races with customization. We're more than halfway done, believe it or not. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that upper right-hand corner flashing arrow, and that's going to bring us to this first template. Now, where you see my picture, that's where you could have your logo. I'm going to choose to delete it by double-clicking on it. I'm going to say hide for this post, but it could be your logo, or you could have a picture of yourself there. You can see this is a template that's playing. It's not my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to scroll across the top here, and I'm going to find some other templates. The one that I like to use for any kind of property for my clients is I like this one here. And this one kind of throws it all at them right up front, and then it'll roll through the pictures. Then all I would have to do is edit any of these pictures by double-clicking and adding a caption like spacious dining room, open living room, livable master. Be sure to call me at 813-555-1212 for a private tour of this great 3-bedroom entertaining home on the water. It's not going to last. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and change the font, I would just click the lower left-hand button. I would then go ahead and be able to edit that font, maybe get this real clean look up here. If I didn't like blue, I would just go ahead and turn this to a different color like red. But I did like blue more, so let's go ahead and get that back up here. And then we'll go click Done. We could choose to change the accent color and also add music to it. So I could go ahead, just go ahead and select some royalty-free music. I would then go ahead to the upper right-hand corner, and I would record a video. So that's all there is to it. I hope you got something out of this lesson. I do want to show you one other thing. I'll just back out of this one, and I'll show you how to edit those other pictures. So I'm going to double-click here. I'm going to say great waterfront location. I like to use all caps sentence, in your sentences here, so sentence punctuation. I'll go ahead and type that in. I'll click Save, and then if I want to go ahead and make that bigger or smaller, I just pinch on it. I'll double click this one. I'll say granite countertops. And then I'll go ahead and make that a little bigger. And I would continue to do that with all these. Then I would click upper right hand corner. I would produce the video. And there you go. You're in the marketing game. Go ahead and take this to your client. Show them what you're doing to be different than the competition. promote your events, promote your opportunity meetings, promote your business. Give yourself the marketing edge with the techniques we teach. I'm Steve Black. Be sure to like us on our business page at Steve Black Speaker. That's on Facebook. You just type in facebook.com/Steve Black Speaker, no spaces, or facebook.com/business success training. You'll find lots of great memes, ideas, videos like this. We look forward to working with you. Now at this point, you would go ahead and share your video. And what you do here is you go ahead and click on the plus sign. And then you choose which of your business pages or personal profile. What I usually do is I usually go to Save to Photos, I go Done, and then I would go ahead and just share it. And that's all that's doing is sharing that to my phone. And it'll make a backup so we can later edit it, and won't take long at all. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to having you on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Steve Black Speaker.